Hi, so my name is Katie and this is my first vlog. We have been in quarantine. We've been kind of doing self-quarantine for like almost 3 weeks now, and I know everyone's doing it, and my dad and I were talking and he's like, what better time to do this, because I love doing this anyway. He said, what better time to do it than now? So I'm gonna try to learn all this stuff and we'll see what happens. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean my room because this place is a mess. I don't know how long that took, but I'm kind of out of breath from cleaning all of that. Put up all my laundry, took away the dead plant. Sorry, Mom, it died. That's my bed. Starting to rain. Cleaned up my little side table. This is kind of a mess, but hung up my clothes. I color coordinate my clothes and I do them by sleeve length as well. So like, that's just who I am, okay? I'm just that person, So I've been rewatching some vlogs from Canada with my friend, and hopefully by the time this goes up, those are already up because those are super fun and entertaining, so check those out. And my brother is helping me figure out how to edit and get all my videos and stuff, so that's exciting. Progress is being made. It's just super rainy outside, if you can tell, kind of. My dad just pulled up in a new truck situation. He literally, oh wow, window, hello. See that truck? Never seen it before. He was like going to pick up his car. He was having car troubles, like from the shop, and they had this truck and they were like, you want to test drive? So I actually really like it. So honestly, hopefully he gets it. Update. I've been editing for a little while. Finally got something that's gonna probably work. Can I talk? So I'm doing a project for my mom, super quick. I got this bag here. Ginormous. It's full of stuff to donate, but my mom wants me to go through it. There's like sheets and blankets in there so she can make masks for us to wear, because apparently we're supposed to wear them all the time whenever we're in public. So that's that. Went through it. Got some old sheets and hopefully she likes them. Also, I have been listening to my good friend Kennedy Russell's podcast. Definitely check it out. Socially Awkward. She talks about, like her anxiety, and she talks about like just like random things. The one I'm listening to right now is her birthday episode. So yeah, definitely put the link down below and check it out. Hey guys, it's a lot later now. I have been editing for so many hours. Got my blue light glasses on. They work so good. I usually get migraines whenever I do this, but blue light glasses, 10 out of 10 recommend. Got them from Amazon. I'll link those down below too, I guess. Super excited, everything's coming together. It is currently 1:05 in the morning and I was actually getting ready to go to bed, but my father reminded me that I have to do the dishes. Look at that. Morning, everyone. It is Saturday. I don't know what day it is besides that. My mom has been making these cute little masks. And I'm actually super excited. Like, look at this. Like, look at how good these are. You kidding me? She killed it. I am going with my brother to pick up his stuff from college because, as we all know, school has been canceled and he's a senior, so he's done. So we're gonna go pick up his stuff. So my mom made some girl ones and obviously I don't know how to put it on, but this is just the first one, so. I'm going under in the summer, feels no one inside. On our way back now. We stopped for some Taco Bell. Let me tell you about what I'm eating. Chicken Powerball. It's basically like going to Chipotle or Qdoba, but from Taco Bell, and I kind of like it better. Unpopular opinion, but that's how I feel, so. So we're back home, and my mom has tasked me with cleaning the bathroom, so cue the time lapse. It all clean. Woo, that honestly did not take that long. And I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So see you next time. Missing someone.